Welcome to ConceptGuru.
Where learning is fun.
Hello and welcome to our new class today. The class is on divisibility. So we have already covered the divisibility rules for 2 and 5, remember? Now we are going to just recap what is divisibility, right? Divisibility is testing whether the divisor divides the dividend exactly or not. That is, the remainder is 0 or not. And hence we have the simple rules of divisibility here. What are we going to cover today? Yes, we are going to cover divisibility rules for 3 and for 4. Let's check out the first one. Divisibility rule for 3. So, here it goes. Sum of all the digits in the number should be exactly divisible by 3. Let's see how it works. So we are going to check the divisibility of 81 by 3. Okay? So these are the steps. First step is you find the sum of the individual digits. 81 individual digits would be 8 and 1. And the next step is to check if the sum obtained is divisible exactly by 3, leaving no remainder. Okay, so 8 and 1 forming 81, and we make an addition or sum of these individual digits. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now do we know whether 9 is divisible by 3? Yes, because 9 divided by 3 is exactly 3. Hence your number 81 is also going to be divisible by 3. That's how this rule works. We can also try the division to confirm. 81 divided by 3, can you work it out yourself? Yes, the answer is 27. So let's find the sum of the digits in this number. 901. So 9 plus 0 plus 1 comes to be 10. But 10 is not divisible by 3, right? It leaves a remainder of 1. And thereby 901 is not divisible by 3. You can try out the division like this, right? Now, we also try to find the sum of the digits in this number, 342. 342 is 9 as the sum of the digits. And again, 9 is exactly divisible by 3. Hence, this number 342 is divisible by 3. You can work out the division to confirm by yourself. Now let's move on to the divisibility rule for 4. Here it goes. The number formed by the last 2 digits of the number should be divisible by 4. Remember the last 2 digits. But for this, you have to know the table of 4. This is the table of 4, which says 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, and thereon till 4 into 10 being 40. Now the last 2 digits forming a number should be present in this table of 4. Here are some of the examples. 204, the last 2 digits 04 form the number 4, and thereby 204 could be a number that is exactly divisible by 4. Here are the other examples. Just check the last 2 digits. Okay? You can pause the video here to check the last 2 digits of these numbers that I have shown. Let's also find out elaborately how the rule works. So let's see for this number 308. What is the number that is formed by the last 2 digits? It's 0 and 8, so the number formed is 8. And this number should be divisible by 4 as per our rule. Let's check where it comes. In the table of 4. Yes, 4 into 2 is 8. And so we can also confirm the division to find out whether there is a remainder of 0 or not. Yeah. 4 into 77 is actually 308 and it leaves a remainder of 0. Now let's check the divisibility of another number by 4, like 428. So what is the number formed by the last two digits? It is 28. Now our next step is to find out whether 28 appears in the table of 4. Yes, it does. And is it safe to say now that 428 is divisible by 4? Yes. Very nice. Now, can you tell me if this number is divisible by 4? 530. The last two digits form the number 30. And in the table of 4, oh my god, I don't find 30 at all. So 30 is not in the table of 4. And hence 530 is not divisible by 4. You can also work out this division to confirm by yourself. If you have a non-zero remainder, the number is not divisible by 4. Okay? Now here are some tips for parents as usual. So we reiterate to your child the meaning of divisibility, that remainder should be 0 on division. Keep asking them and get a clarity between what is dividend, what is divisor, quotient and remainder. Familiarity with these tables 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, all of them, they enhance the speed of solving sums. And let's try to practice the division of small numbers. Like what is the division of 6 by 2, 8 by 4, 20 by 4, etc. That's all we have today on this chapter. See you next time. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.
Press the bell icon for our latest videos.